Your generated landing page is live and traffic is flowing. But if Google Ads doesn't know which clicks turn into leads, your smart bidding is flying blind. Setting up conversion tracking usually means messing with code or Google Tag Manager. In Axerto, it takes exactly 2 minutes. Let's do it. Inside Google Ads, go to Goals, then Conversions. Open your conversion action and scroll down to Tag Setup. Click on Use Google Tag Manager. This is the cleanest way to grab your tracking info. You'll see your conversion ID, which is just a string of numbers here, and your conversion label right below it. Copy both. Switch back to your Axerto dashboard and open your landing page settings. For the tracking ID, simply type AW- and paste that conversion ID number right after it. Then drop your conversion label into the second field. Hit Save. That's it. Zero manual tag setup. Let's verify it actually works. Open your published landing page and inspect the code. Search for your AWID. There it is. Axerto automatically injected the Google tag perfectly. But look closely here. Enhanced Conversions is enabled by default. This is huge. It means when a user submits a form, Axerto instantly hashes their email and phone number and sends it securely to Google. This built-in feature improves your conversion match rates by 5 to 15% without any messy tag manager configurations. Now, for the ultimate test. With the Network tab open, let's submit a test lead. I'll just drop in a test data. Watch what happens when we hit Submit. Boom. The conversion event fires instantly to Google Ads. You can see your exact tracking label and the hashed user data going straight through. And on the page, the user gets a seamless success message. In a few hours, this conversion will appear in your Google Ads account, giving smart bidding the exact data it needs to hunt for high-quality leads, not just empty clicks. Stop flying blind. Log into Axerto and connect your tracking today.